Hello, I'm Dr. Stanton Thomas. I'm Hazel and William Huff Chief Curator at the Museum of Fine Arts St. Petersburg, and I'm delighted to welcome you and introduce you a little bit to this spectacular installation behind me, which is The Last Library 4 Written in Water. It's a very complicated thing that's very fascinating and very timely. It explores the idea that the written word, which held primacy in our civilizations since they came into being for thousands of years, is now kind of fading, and it questions how we know whether or not the printed word is true, why we believe certain things, and really what the idea of truth is. It is done through this kind of library. It's also an archive, and it's filled with all sorts of books, with records, with all sorts of files, and it's a fascinating combination of things that really provoke your thought about the idea of truth and why we believe what we believe.